Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an item to your watch list on the Admirals application. If you are, for example, interested in some kind of stocks, currencies, commodities, indices or anything else. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the trade button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And then tap on markets at the top, which is the second section. And then you should select a crypto, stock or anything that you are interested in. So tap on it and then click on this star icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then go back to the previous section and tap on the watch list. So here you will be able to see that it has been added to this section so that you can find it easily. If you want to remove, just tap on it and click on the star icon so it will be removed from your watch list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.